Complete your wall panels and ceilings in just one day. Let me show you how.
Pare is changing the game in the field of interior design with its diverse range of innovative products. First off, these panels are installed without creating a mess. That's right, no dust anywhere. Pare's interlocking system makes installation super quick just in a day, and this means less labor costs and a beautiful seamless finish. Craving the charm of real wood but concerned about termites and rust? Look no further. Their real wood feel panels offer worry-free beauty, and thanks to the innovative termite-proof and rust-proof construction. I was also impressed with how these panels are waterproof. This means less worry about mold and mildew, which is a big plus for a healthier living space. For the busy folks among us just like me, you are going to appreciate the low maintenance charm of these panels. A quick swipe with the cloth and they are back to looking brand new, and it's that easy. The variety in designs, textures and colors absolutely stunning, and they are not just for indoors. These panels are so durable you can use them outside too.
So from my personal experience, Pare's panels are a fantastic choice for anyone looking to upgrade their space both in style and functionality. Check them out and you won't be disappointed.
Follow Salman Sir for more such interior design inspiration and decor.